At Masters Home Solutions Baths and Showers, we understand the importance of a bathroom that isn't just functional, but a haven of relaxation. Introducing our same-day bath and shower installations. Our expert team arrives at your doorstep, equipped with everything needed to transform your bathroom. From the moment we step in, we work with you, offering design guidance to ensure your vision comes to life. Choose from a wide range of quality products that suit your style and needs. Watch as our professionals swiftly and efficiently install your new bath or shower, all within the same day. By evening, step into your transformed bathroom, a perfect blend of luxury and comfort. Because at Masters Home Solutions, we believe everyone deserves a bathroom